My name's Steve Scott. I'm Director of Happy Kids Childcare. We have 9 nurseries, 2 in Manchester. This one's 63 Place nursery, offering childcare for children from birth to 5. The free childcare has helped tremendously. We get a lot of children in who wouldn't otherwise be accessing childcare at all. We get others who are on a low income who struggle to pay for childcare. This enables them to take on extra work, do extra shifts, and get back into the work environment. We've also got college students with young children who also would struggle to access it. So from a parent's perspective, it provides them an opportunity for accessing good quality childcare that makes it very affordable or free to them. Well, we track every child's progress, every individual child's progress, and we look particularly at 2-year-old early education funded children. And in general, most of those children who access that place start below expectations for their age when they start at nursery, but by the 1 or 2 terms they are actually ahead of expectations. So by the time they start school, they're far more school ready, which without that provision they would have been kept below the level that they're expected for their age. It's really simple. All the parent needs to provide is to come to the nursery and bring with them, there's a number of different documentations they can bring, anything from an income support letter to income-based job seekers, working tax credits or child tax credits. The prime number of people that access it are families who earn below £16,190 and are claiming either child tax or working tax credits. But equally, it's available for children who have a special educational need or are disabled or are adopted. So it's quite a wide spectrum. Pretty much half of children in Manchester are eligible for a place. It's very simple. They just bring the documents, don't have to fill in any forms. We check them, and that's it. Simple as that. No, it's very simple and it's very quick. As long as they can provide us with the evidence that they are eligible for the place, all we need apart from that is a birth certificate. Children can start term after their 2nd birthday. So when they come along, they bring those evidence to it, and that's it. It's as simple as that. It's a very simple registration process, but then they're treated the same as every other parent. They have settling in visits, make sure that they are comfortable with the nursery place, and the child is settled with us. But it's very, very simple. It's very flexible. Most parents access 15 hours a week term time, but they can spread that across the whole year. And they can do that in either 3 or 5 hour blocks, morning or afternoon at session times to suit them. But it's very, very flexible. We're open anytime between 8 and 6, as are most providers. So typically either 5 3-hour sessions or 3 5-hour sessions across the week. We do, especially with the 2-year free education. It brings in a lot of parents who wouldn't otherwise have accessed childcare at all. So that's an income stream for us we wouldn't otherwise have get, but it also means that we can meet the children before they turn 3, which is when we would have otherwise met them, and we can start to work on improving their educational attainment at a much earlier stage, which makes it a lot easier process for us to get them ready for school when they're 5. They can find information on Families Information website from Manchester City Council, or they can find it out from our own provider website, or others like NetMums or Mumsnet. They have a lot of information that can help you understand whether you're eligible or not and how to access a place.